Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can make change language setting on your Kieslect Kr Pro smart calling watch. Okay, as you can see on the screen now, I have my Kieslect Kr Pro and my smartphone, and we already connect it to the app called Glory Fit. And if you want to know how to connect it, just check out in the link in the description. I will put a link the video called the first time setup, and you will find how to connect this app with my KR Pro. Okay, and you will see now the language setting. I set it to Chinese language, and if you press any setting, you will see all it written in Chinese. And if you want to change it, just first of all connect the KR Pro to the Glory Fit first, and after that you need to change the language through this app. Okay, first of all you need to turn on the app, and after that go to device, and then select the universal setting. After that you will see device language here. Okay, select device language, and then we gonna check any setting. Okay, so now it's still in Chinese language, and now we change it to English. Okay, and then you will see everything now change back to English. Okay, and that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can make change the language setting on your Kieslect Kr Pro smart calling watch. Okay, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. And all the setting is the built-in setting inside this Glory Fit that we download originally from the Android App Store. Okay, and now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.